In this video, we are going to connect to our database. Inside the core folder, create a new file, call it config.php. Open up your PHP tag. We are going to define 4 constants. The first one will be our DB host. The DB host over here will be localhost, and also define a constant for our username. So DB user, which will be root. And also define a constant for our password. So it will be db pass, which will be empty string. And also define a constant for our database name. So db name, which is Instagram. Okay. So now this is what we have. So inside your init.php file, duplicate this one. Over here, it will be config.php. Inside your classes, create a new file. Call it database. Open up your PHP tag. Over here will be class keyword, followed by the name of the class, that's database. Over here, this one will be public static $e. This one will be our error. And also we have public static $video. Then this one will be public static. We are creating a static function called connect. This which will allow us to connect to our database. Then over here will be try catch. Then this one will be catch. This one will be exception, then space e. Over here we'll just echo. So this one over here will get the error message and display it over here. Then over here we'll just return self $video, then semicolon. Then over here will be self video, that's $video is equal to new video. Then over here will be MySQL host. The host over here is localhost. This one be DB host. Then we have single quote again, then semicolon. The DB name, that's the database name over here, is Instagram. So this one will be DB name, which is this one. Then dot again, then single quote, then semicolon. Then we have DB user, then comma DB pass, semicolon. And over here will be self $PDO, arrow notation, set attributes. Then this one will be PDO alt underscore error mode, then comma PDO error mode exception, then semicolon. Then over here will be $e is equal to self $e, then semicolon. Okay. So let's go and test and see whether our logic is working. So over here, let's just echo connection successful, then semicolon. Then inside our init.php, we will call this function, that's the class database, that's the static method connect. So this one be database connect. So now let's go back to our browser, just refresh it. So as you can see, connection successful. So meaning our logic has worked fine. So if database name is wrong. Let's say something like this. Then refresh it. So as you can see, unknown database. So meaning that our logic has worked fine. So remove this one from here. Okay.